Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
You can't do nothing positive over here and make money. You never make $100.
Dear, you hear it from the horse's mouth. You could have never do nothing positive over here and make $100. Now, that goes to show that TikTok is actually devil's playground and nothing no sell like negativity. Now, in the video, Ivany say, yo, you see how me full of drama, you see how Rosalie full of drama, Jaden, Ziggy them, all of them, and that sell, and that make them continue to reap little money on TikTok. Where Ivany say, are the complete truth. Me see preachers, me see ministers come on TikTok and then could have barely get a rose. You get me? I say, but make you come and say, oh, the man they eat the buff there and the girl they do that thing there. Me I tell you say, a big if you get, and it makes sense. You see me? But TikTok, as me say, a devil's playground. You know, people, all me can encourage, you know, save on the money, yeah. You see it. If you want to support one creator, you can, but just don't go over the top. Cause we Ivany have to say, me Ivany say, man, I pretend to be fish. Forget kinds coming in, and you know, I allude to maybe Jaden and a couple of them. Watch the video and tell me anything.
Care who I say me cold-hearted. I've seen a lot of TikTokers go down to the pit of hell to do something just to get a lion or just to go #1. TikTok, you can't do nothing positive over here and make money. You never make $100. You can't read no Bible over here and see no lion a flash through your screen. You can't come give a words of encouragement and see a lion a flash your screen. You can't come over here and be one Barb's girl and see one lion a flash. You have to do some form of mix up. Why you think Vanny can fall off? Why you think Rosalie can fall off? Why you think Ziggy, Jaden? Why you think you Walla we do drama, Donya? Why you think you Walla we can fall off? Because we know if we keep up with bagger, and we know what to do and who to talk about and what to do for stay up on the top. You have to bring negativity on the app if you make money or just start some problem or create some riot. I've seen thousands of people go to the pit of hell. Man, we a straight man act like them about them man a batty man, you know, but they act like them a batty man forget kinds. People start on reporter over here. People are pay for people information just to come with proof to get views on their life. People are do so much things to get money. You can't tell me saying a #1 you want go again. Make your crash out, sir. You can't tell me say on a #1 you a try go again. Make your crash out, sir. Furthermore, me sit you up. A man when mad no behave, so first thing, uno na read through the line. When me go up on him live, him comments them off. Police must say all time do him comment off. Him a talk him now look on the screen. What the fuck you come and you turn on back a comment for if you not read the comments? Because you know if people can comment, eventually they're going to leave. Uno na using a common sense, uno make fake people, uno make mad people, and make uno feel like uno mad. Your comments off. I hear that they chat all long. Eventually, if your comments off, the people them are eventually go away. Nobody now sit down and watch one live but then can't comment so long. Because the comments off. And not even like a subscription. The comments just off. Now, you walk come back to the screen, you click and you turn on back your comments. You turn on back your comments and you not read no comments neither. Why you turn it on? Because you know so it go keep the people them and negative people and positive people. All sort of people are going to their comments, so it go help for make the people them stay up on the live. You can't trick me. Me telling you, you know, me have to soon jump off of one rope. Me don't want to know dead, you know. But me have to see a jump off a rope or actually a flatter for believe say yeah. For believe say yes, something really do no. Can't do anything for money. And then you know what I wanna do? You act like you're mad for these people, and then when you think you get back in your sober self, you can come laugh with people. And that's how I style for low-key these people. Oh, I'm going to come today, I'm going to act like my mother and this our blood clot. Because the people them might say, oh, he might go through something in mental and in this year. And then tomorrow when he feel like he is a next day, he come back sober. Ma come back sober tomorrow and come talk to you and go like in the back in a good mood. A styling coming like Jaden. Jaden this people because everybody else say, oh, that is just Jaden. That's a Jaden stay. But him really and truly him a diss you and he mean he say him a diss you. But you know say people are gonna say, oh, I just saw Jaden stay. Him not really I got this a saying stay. Then use them the style for diss you. And as long as me live on the app, I'm unfollow him. Cause now I got mad me and mad people. If you're mad me, you can matter as fuck join the blacklist too. You now gonna disrespect me and think you're mad. Join the blacklist. Telling you, you know. Thank you, babes. Me telling you, you know, now gets no second chance with me. Go up on the blacklist. Your madness and my madness can't go deal. Cause if you're mad out and somebody send you a request for check by you, that means somebody fuck with you. And if you go one style me and go like you're mad, you're go join the blacklist. Because me and my own business, you know. A match me a play, you know. A people come in on my chat and tell me to watch Tavii live, you know. And I say, why watch him live when me can't send him a request? And I send him a request how much time and he no answer. So in my head, me I say, him probably over there mad out, so he no read the comments. And people then say start cuss me. So me take it as a joke. And I say, where my cuss for? So me laugh and I go look. And I see fool just where I keep up. Then I send you a request again. You know, sometimes you can send somebody a request for actually like calm you down and for one talk to you. You tell me about a clout. You tell me about me you tell me about a clout like me not always send a request. If me was a person who never send a request and then I send a request now when you have 5,000 people, but I say, alright then, yeah, him have a right to say about me. Well, always send a request. Sometimes I send him request and he decline me when he have all 800 people are watching. Sometimes I have all my 10,000 people and see me send him request. Me not give a fuck about your views. I always send a request to play a match. But now you have to join my blacklist car. It's like how you claim say you're mad. Me have sense so me and mad people now go click. So me now go send in a request again. Can't go and make them trick you know. Can't trick me. And number one Tavii one go. You hear me I telling you? Notice him crash out every other day when him get number one. When him play and he go up a number one and he crash out for the whole day today, he no bother mad tomorrow. He no bother mad the next day. In less than 5 business days again when he kind of wear off, he mad again. There goes Uno send Lion and Uni over there because I'm mad, you know. Like Lion and Uni can help a mad smarty. Make it make sense. I don't know mad too. I mean, I say like me a box no food out of nobody more, but don't play mind games with me. If you want to play mind games with the gifters them. Play the mind games with the gifter them. But when me add you as a co-worker for play, don't go like you want this me. I tell me say me.
No, when my life become this shit, look what they do to me. The world I don't know. It's not dumb for me. Look. 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 See? See? Kyng Tavii a piece of shit right now. Alright. I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead yet, pussy. Well, please. Please, like shit.